Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Twitter privacy settings. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To reset your Twitter privacy settings, start by opening the Twitter app or website. Log into your Twitter account using your credentials. Once logged in, access the menu by clicking on your profile icon or the More option on the left side. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. In the Settings menu, choose Privacy and Safety. Here, you will find various privacy options. To adjust who can see your tweets, look for the Audience and Tagging section. Toggle the Protect Your Tweets option to make your tweets visible only to your followers. Next, go back to the Privacy and Safety menu. Scroll down to Direct Messages and review who can send you direct messages. You can select to receive messages from anyone or only from people you follow. To prevent others from tagging you in photos, find the Photo Tagging section. Set your preferences for photo tagging to limit who can tag you. Return to the main Privacy and Safety page to review your blocked accounts. Make sure to keep the list updated if there are any unwanted interactions. If you want to manage your location settings, go to the Location Information section. Toggle the options to either enable or disable location sharing. Finally, review the discoverability settings to control who can find you through your email address or phone number. Once you've made your changes, remember to click Save Changes to apply your new privacy settings. You have now successfully reset your Twitter privacy settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.